Well, when life throws you a curveball, you get on your bike and ride. I rode down to the Bohemian Flat Park down here in Minneapolis, walking down by the river, having a few moments of quiet time before I go back home. Got a lot going on, trying to stay right. It's difficult. Not everybody is out there to be your friend and to see you succeed, so sometimes we gotta step away from all that. Find solace and peace and serenity in the fact that we take this journey one day at a time, not weeks, months, years at a time. Obviously that'll happen, but we don't even know if today or tomorrow's promised to us, so we gotta stay focused and remain in today and live in the present and try to be working a program that isn't gonna keep us tied to an emotion, a feeling, a behavior, an action, that sort of thing. So when we do get down, we're not struggling as much because we already have something in place to try to help us cope, right? So coping mechanisms for me are getting on my bike, going to water, rocks, parks, grass, people that I can trust. And those people are few and far in between now because there's so many people out there that are just selfish. And I can be selfish. But at the end of the day, I dedicated my life to trying to stay sober to help other people so they could do the same. And so I could raise my children right. Excuse me. So I love you guys. God bless you. And we'll see you on the next one, okay? Stay strong out there.
Where the stars and stripes and the eagle fly. Yeah, you know what? There ain't no way in hell you're ever getting me underground to do that kind of stuff. Honey.
I thought it was. It's an old mining town. The old mining town. Unbelievably beautiful, you guys. It's hard to put into words. Pretty freaking awesome. Yeah. We're on top of the mountain almost.
We're coming through now. Yeah. You know, both the
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Is it frozen?
No.
Kind of looked like it was when I hit the ground.
Damn it.